Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact sellers on Zillow so you can inquire about potential property investments, schedule studio quality walkthroughs, and navigate the 2026 real estate market with professional technical precision. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Buy menu. The first step is entering the acquisition portal for your 2026 property research. In the modern studio interface, the primary navigation bar acts as your mechanical necessity for starting any professional search. Head to the Zillow homepage on your PC and hover over the Buy option in the top navigation bar. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Homes for Sale to open the full inventory of 2026 listings. By selecting this specific candid option, you filter out rentals and other non-sale items, focusing your market analysis strictly on property purchases that fit your professional studio criteria. Next, locate your professional target on the map. Instead of just scrolling through lists, using the interactive map allows you to see the proximity of properties to your favorite software tutorial recording locations or business hubs. Once the search page loads, click on the interactive map on the left side of the screen. Click and drag the map or use the search bar within the map to navigate to your specific location. You can zoom in to find studio-quality homes in your preferred neighborhood. In 2026, location is a professional standard. Navigating via the map ensures you are looking at homes that meet your technical needs, such as high-speed internet availability or proximity to technical production resources. Next, select your high-end listing. Once you've found the right area on the map, you need to technically open the property file to view the full 2026 specifications. Click on any of the blue or red dots representing active listings on the map. A property summary will pop up. Click on it to open the full property page. Now that you are on the property page, you can access the professional communication portal to initiate your technical inquiry. Scroll down to the Contact section, usually found on the right sidebar or within the Property Overview. Look for the specific button labeled Contact Agent, or if it is a For Sale by Owner listing, Contact Seller. This is the execution phase. Providing your name and professional 2026 contact info here acts as the technical handshake. It ensures your message is delivered through the high-end Zillow Studio network directly to the listing provider. And that's pretty much it. To contact a seller in 2026, go to the Buy menu and select Homes for Sale. Use the interactive map to navigate to your preferred location, click on a listing dot, and open the full property page. From there, locate the Contact Seller option, enter your professional 2026 details, and hit Send to start your high-end real estate dialogue. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.